Melissa at the Cordova Library, and today we are going to make paper cranes. All right, so we do have some origami paper available at the circulation desk at the Cordova Branch Library, but you do not need fancy paper to do this at home. You can take a regular piece of printer paper or notebook paper and we can make it square really easily. So you're going to take one corner and fold it to the side to where the corner is level with that side. Okay, so it's going to leave this little bottom section. All we have to do is cut this bottom part off. Make sure you have your parents' permission to use the scissors. And now you have a square piece of origami paper. Okay, you're going to start with your square piece of paper. You're going to take this top corner, fold down to the bottom, make your clean crease. Okay. Then you're going to fold in half again, match up your corners, and another crease. Okay. You're going to open up, stick your finger down here into the point, and then fold down. So you've got this new square. Flip over and do the same thing over here. Stick your finger into the point. So now you have your new square. All right, with your open side down, so the side is open, you're gonna start folding your corners to the middle. You're gonna do this 4 times. Remember, you can pause and go back anytime you need to. Flip over, do the same thing. And you're going to fold this top down. It doesn't matter if you do it forward or backwards. We're just looking for the crease. Okay, so now you have a kite. Okay, so this is the harder part, but we are almost done. You're going to open up your flaps. Now open up just this top layer, fold it to the crease, and then you're going to fold these sides in on the existing creases. So you already made these lines. And then just crease them back down. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So open it up to our crease. It might give you a little trouble, but you'll get it. So we've got this side done. Then we've got this side. Just a couple more steps. Okay, we've got our crane legs right here. Now, you're gonna open up here. And now push it up, and it's gonna fold in on itself. Okay. And now it's not gonna be right at your crease. It's gonna have this little triangle down at the bottom. You're gonna do the exact same thing over here. Now, it's up to you. You can make one of these the tail. I usually pick the pointier one. And then you make the other one the head. So you just smush it down however you want. And now you have your paper crane. You can do whatever you like with your wings. You can leave them as they are. You can fold them out or all the way flat. And you're all set.